What I feel passionate about is cooking. And that's what I want to give to people. And that's what harder cooking is to me. I was optimistic at the beginning. I thought that things were going to be easier, but this process of the pandemic has been like a class for everybody. I just moved to my apartment and I had a plan for all this year, and that's gone. That's completely gone. My business was gone, at least for this year. And then I start to think like, hey, I need to do something. I cannot be here. I don't have a job. I had a restaurant, but it closed because of the pandemic. But I had all my tools, and I decided to open up in a place where I can cook, put all my stuff, and I found this place. I have 8 employees, and the first decision I made was not to fire any of them, because what happened if I'm an employee too and I don't have money in my bank account, if I don't have my social insurance? I didn't want that to my people, and I decided to keep them with the payments. Maybe not the highest amount, but I'm still taking care of them in the way I can. Every day it's a new reality. There's good days, bad days, but when I get into my kitchen, it's the moment where I decide to create something new. And that Wednesday, that was the mark where I started that's the mark of my new beginning. Because since that day, I have been doing all the things I never thought I was going to do. And this pandemic teaches how to improvise, how to act in pro of ourselves and our closest friends. Being at home, safe with our closest people, in my case, my wife, we have 2 mirrors, ourselves and the other. That's the only thing we have. And getting the knowledge of what we think or what we feel was something that we didn't have before this pandemic. And that's very valuable.